Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Louise Nichols, I'm a textile artist and I live in Cornwall, and I thought I'd show you today a little bit of what I've got going on at the moment. So I've got a busy 2 or 3 days coming up. In fact, I've got a really busy time right till the end of March now. So today is Friday the 6th of March, and tomorrow and Sunday I'm at Cowslip Workshops in Cornwall, and I'm running a spring flowers workshop tomorrow and the birdhouse as a workshop. So the birdhouse that I've just done the stitch along for, I'm running that as a workshop on Sunday, and then on Monday I'm in Paynton, and we're doing tea lights, and that's what I'm trimming down at the moment. Then after that, the following weekend I'm in Frome. The following Tuesday I'm in Wantage, which is Oxford. The Saturday after that I'm at Thimble Stitch, which is I go there regularly in Honiton. And then I think I'm right in saying the following weekend is Craft for Crafters, which is the big event that happens at West Point in Exeter. So in between getting ready for all these workshops, I'm also packing up kits and getting some new designs finished, which we'll come to in a minute. But anyway, so I just thought I'd show you a little bit of what I've got going on. So I'm going to carry on trimming all these prints down, and then I'll talk to you a little bit more. I'm just sticking some price stickers now into the corners. I've finished trimming all my prints down, so I stamp the number, the cost of the print, onto one of these little labels and then stick them into the corner, so that when ladies are going through, or men are going through all the prints that are for sale, they can see exactly how much they are going to cost. So these are for the spring flower workshop. So I've got tulips and I have snowdrops in this pile. There we go. When I do a workshop, I always take a crate with me that's full of prints that are sort of extras, or it may be that the colour's just not quite right to go in the kit. So depending on what I've been printing, it depends what's in the crate. So you don't get the same selection every time. So this time I've been printing fish. I've got some more hares on a hill to go in, and this 9-block leaf bird and tree print. Then also this time there are going to be a couple of new selections as well. I've been working on this new cat design. I don't know, are you in shot there? Yeah. And so sometimes when I'm doing a new design, I might try it on a few different fabric backgrounds. There's nothing wrong with the prints, they're just not the colour that I wanted to go with. So they're going in this time as well. And then this little beehive. This is another new kit that I'm working on at the moment. And so I have quite a few of these little beehive prints as well to go in. So what I tend to do is fold them so it does keep them sort of all more or less together. They go in flat, that one there, and they go flat as well, the hares. And then these will be folded over as well. So I'll pop those in my crate. When I was getting ready to do this spring flower workshop, I decided to bring back a fairly old design. This was one of my first lino prints, the daisy, and I never really did anything with it from a workshop point of view. So it was printed onto cards. So I sold cards with the design on, but I really like it. So I've done this. These are all samples now ready to take to the workshop tomorrow. So I like to take things that are in the process of putting together. So this would be ironed onto here. It's got fuser web on the back. So that's just to show that process there. But because of that, I've actually decided to do the daisy as a kit. So I'm going to do 3 different colour options: the blue, the green, and then one that I've only just started. Stitch the felt onto this one, the pink. So I'm quite excited about that. So I'm going to pop that back in that pile there. Anyway, these samples are all ready now for taking to the workshop tomorrow. So I've got a whole pile of these. Are all spring flowers. So there's my daisies, more daisies, daffodils, a small daffodil design, snowdrops, that's a smaller snowdrops design there, and the tulips. I'm sure you've seen some of these before. That's the large snowdrop there, and the larger daffodil, and again just a few more so that it's been put on a cushion there, the tulips. So I'm just going to lift those off and pop that there, so that keeps that nice and flat. So they're all the samples. So I have a checklist when I'm doing a workshop so that I make sure that I've got everything with me. So I'm just going through my checklist now, and I need some more tracing paper, and I need a couple of other little bits and pieces. So I'm going to do that before I put these then into the bag and then into my other bag ready to take with me. So this is the final bit of packing up now for the workshop. So this is all the birdhouse workshop stuff. So good old IKEA bags are great for this. So I'm just going to pack it so that nothing gets squashed. They can sit in there, they'll be fine there, or down there actually, that might be better. taken the cushion out of the cushion inner out of the cushion cover at the minute. In fact, I'm going to lie it that way because I need it elsewhere for the first workshop tomorrow, and then I'll pop that back on, and that will be all ready for the birdhouse workshop. Okay, so I'm about ready now to load the car. So that's the bag I've just done. I've got my crate there. That's my basket full of felt that goes to workshops. Got my samples and then 2 more IKEA bags. So that's the pile that needs to go in the car. And then this is all ready for the workshop on Monday. So obviously I won't be taking that with me today, but it's all ready. What I didn't want to do was to come back from the workshops over the weekend, be really tired, and then not feel like putting the workshop together. So anyway, I'm going to load the car now. So the boot's full, and also the back seat. I've got my shelves in ready to display, put all the threads and all that kind of thing on, and that's my bag of threads and things. So I'm just going to turn the camera around and say goodbye. Thank you for watching from a very, as you can probably see, a really windy Cornwall today. Yeah, so I'm all ready for the workshop. The only thing to be packed in now are, there's a couple of cushions to go in actually, which are inside, and and also what else? My float and my machine, my card machine as well. And so I'm going to sit and stitch some more samples this afternoon and draw some stitch and felt diagrams out ready for new kits, which I'll talk to you about next time. Okay, thanks for watching then. Bye.